Speak with me. Speak out loud. Speak alone. Speak English without environment. Speak English without any hesitation. Are you a beginner? Are you a spoken English learner? Do you want to learn spoken English? Which level do you belong to learn spoken English? Are you in the zero level? You don't have minimum knowledge to start spoken English. Don't worry. I will give you all tips from zero to minimum level, because I was zero level. I don't have minimum knowledge of English. Also, English subject was very terrific subject to me. When I studied in school, I would get much fear about English subject, and most of the time I did not get minimum pass marks in English subject. So you can watch how much I would get fear in the English language, English subject purpose. But I took both. When I will get chance, definitely I would learn spoken English in my life. And today I am sharing my all feelings about spoken English journey in front of you. So friends, if you think that spoken English is very hard, spoken English is not my business, spoken English is the matter of high society's man, spoken English is high level language, it is absolutely wrong, because it is a just language, it is not a rocket science. Definitely I would think this type of thinking in my mind, but after minimum journey I have known that it is very easy subject. If you want to crack your journey, if you want to overcome this journey, definitely it is very normal, very easy. It is not a rocket science. I say every time, it is not a rocket science. If you want to learn spoken English, you would watch my previous video. There I have shared my all feelings, from which way I have come in this road, which path I have followed in initial day when I started my journey. My grammatical knowledge was full blank. I did not know minimum grammatical rules, but I have started, I have got much pleasure, I have known many things in spoken English matter. So you can try with me, you can follow me. I will give you many tips to learn spoken English. So if you want to learn spoken English, at first you have to take a oath in your mind without any helping from other person. You would start alone There can't be environment, there can't be any friendly situation, there can't be any English environment. Today in this video I will give you a learning method. That method you have to use to start your spoken English journey. Which path will you follow? So according to me, if you will go to learn spoken English, at first you have to start using by present tense, all type of present tense. We are used spoken English in our daily life. We use all type of present tense. So there will come three type of present tense: present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, and present perfect tense. Otherwise, the third form of present tense, present perfect continuous tense. This tense is not used in the daily basis. This form is used in advanced level. So we don't need to use this form in our daily conversation. So let's go into the point by point. Number 1, present indefinite tense. Where can we use present indefinite tense? Present indefinite tense is used only daily habits purpose. So that work we done every day. So in this purpose, present indefinite tense is used. Example: I eat rice. This is habits. We go to market. This is habits. They go to school. It is habits. It is present indefinite tense. They are subject and present form of the main verb. So it was present indefinite tense. Otherwise, second point is present continuous tense. Which purpose we can use present continuous tense? Present continuous tense is used that work we are doing continuously. So this work is ongoing. There is no ending. There is no starting. That work is going continuously, regularly. So in this purpose we can use present continuous tense. If I go to example, I am recording video, I am talking with you, I am doing my work, he is doing his work, they are going to school, she is going to school. So these are example of present continuous tense. Rules: subject, be verb, subject plus be verb plus ing will be added the present form of main verb and plus object. So subject plus be verb plus ing form verb plus object. You can use like this. And next point will come present perfect tense, where we can present perfect tense. Present perfect tense is used that work had been started few time ago, but that work was going a perfect time. That work had been started and had been ended. So there is a complete result, perfect result. So in this purpose only present perfect tense is used. If I go to example, I have done my work. They have completed their work. He has done his work. They had finished their meeting. So it was present perfect tense. Present perfect tense rules is subject have has, subject plus have has, plus the present participle form of main verb or third form of main verb plus object. So subject plus have or has plus the past participle of main verb plus object. This is the rule. So if you want to speak English, you have to start using by all types of present tense. There is present indefinite tense, present continuous tense, present perfect tense. If you use these three types of present tense, then anyone will not stop you to learn spoken English. You will be master in spoken English. So without minimum tense knowledge, you would not learn spoken English, you would not speak English. So it was my little method. I have learned spoken English using this method. If you learn like me, definitely I hope you will speak English like me. So that's it. That word I would say every time. If this video is minimum valuable to you, if you get minimum knowledge from this video, comment, like, subscribe and do your valuable comment in the comment box. So stay good, stay healthy, stay with me, and to get like this more video, subscribe and comment. So we'll see you in the next video.